I keep promising the last video, but I feel like I need to reiterate a few things here, especially on like the letters like the N. I've noticed some people have messaged me and said that the way that I cut it, which is the way I apply it on mine, they found it better to flip it over and try a different way. This is being applied right here 100% as it, the sign cutter cuts it. You can see it fits really good. A little teeny bit over here on the edge, on the indentation. You can move that over. But don't feel scared to move it around. If it's not where you want it at, don't be afraid to move it around. Like I was saying before, be very careful, especially with these N's and A's. Be very careful with where you place them at, because they can. It's best I put a corner on here, and then I move this until it's lined up with the edge. That way I know it's straight, and then I just kind of bring it over here. And as you can see, if you lay it the way I say, the way I print it, it lays good. But I've had some say that they flipped theirs. I don't know. I didn't see any pictures of it, but they flipped theirs and they liked the way it laid the other way. I don't even know if that's possible. Maybe they just didn't realize they were putting it on the right way in the first place and thought it was that way. But either way, if you do it this way, it fits great. Can't really see any difference. It's slightly. Each one of these is going to be a teeny bit over on the little indentation. It's very, very tedious to try to get this exactly inside the indentation 100%. But I got it a lot better than the other guy, so that makes me happy. And some of the competitors are selling 500-600 of these things, and apparently people weren't too unhappy with him. But I wanted to make it a little bit better, so I went a little above and beyond with my software and shaved out some edges that were on the competitors, who I will not name, but I think everybody knows who it is. Were way over. I'm talking like, I don't even know how people gave good feedback on this guy's stuff, because they were way off. So, but I'm not bashing anybody, not saying any names. There's just some others out there that don't test fit, I don't think. And I always test fit, I always make sure I get it to like if I wouldn't put it on my truck like I'm doing right now and rock it, then I wouldn't expect somebody else to put it on theirs. And as always, if you have any issues, needs, concerns, leave some comments. Please do so tastefully. If you have any complaints or anything, feel free to message me privately if you don't mind, because I like to deal with things person to person. But I haven't had any complaints, so hoping it stays that way. I strive my best. So there you go. Get that water out of there. And if we like once again, you can see I'm using a felt squeegee here. You can get these off eBay really cheap. The local store might even have them. But that allows me to scrub really well on this gloss without scratching it up. If you use a regular credit card or a hard squeegee, you risk scratching up your decal really bad. You don't want to do that. I mean, it's going to get scratched over the years anyways, but there you go. So that's the end laid, everything laid. Let me get you a view here. You can see the whole thing. And there we are, the finished product. Took me overall, with the video and all, maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes. Without the video, it takes most people about 5-10 minutes, depending. Well, I don't want to say 5 minutes. Probably about 20 minutes for average beginner, and 30 minutes for somebody that's never done it before. It might take a little longer. Just be patient. Don't get crazy excited. I know you want to get it on, you want it to look good, but don't get too excited about it. That way you won't mess it up, because that would be not just a waste of your money and time, but disappointing, because you want to, just like me, you want to have this thing done, go out there and rock it at the shows, meets, work, wherever. Once again, leave comments. If you have any personal comments or complaints, let me know, please, with a private message. And as always, leave comments below. Please like and subscribe to my page. And go to Kellogg's Graphics with an IX Facebook, like my page there as well. Thank you, and thanks for watching.